Ciao. Today we will learn top Italian nouns and its uses in sentences. Okay. First word is tempo. Tempo means weather. Okay. Now how we can use tempo in sentence? Like we say il tempo è bel oggi. Okay. Il tempo, the weather, is bel mean beautiful or good. Oggi today. That weather is beautiful today. Okay. Or we say that il tempo è brutto oggi. Okay. Brutto mean bad. Il tempo è brutto oggi. That weather is bad today. Okay. Next word is donna. Donna. Donna means woman. Okay. Now we can use it in sentence that we say che tipo di donna, che tipo di donna vorresti essere? Okay, it's a question. Che tipo? Che mean what? Tipo mean type. What type di donna of woman vorresti? Vorresti mean you would like. Vorresti word come from vorere. Vorere mean I would like. Would like. Vorresti mean you would like. Essere. Essere mean to be. What type of woman you want to be? Okay. Next word is occhio. Occhio. Okay. Occhio mean eyes. Eye. A single is eye. Occhi mean eyes. Okay. We can use it in sentence like I miei occhi sono blu. When we talk about two eyes, then occhi. Singular is occhio, plural is occhi. I miei, my occhi, eyes, as it's plural, then it's used miei. Miei occhi, my eyes sono blu. My eyes are blue. Okay. Occhio also in used in the meaning of watch out. Okay. Watch out. When we say someone has eyes on it. Okay. Watch out. Okay. Okay. Next word is parola. Parola. Okay. Parola mean word. Okay. We can use it in sentence that come dici questa parola? Come dici questa parola? Okay. Come mean how dici you say questa this parola word. How you say this word. Okay. Come how dici say you say questa word this parola word. How you say this word. Okay. Next parola also we can say that I perso la parola. Okay, it's a question. I mean, have you perso lose la parola? Have you lose your word? Okay. Next word is padre. Padre. Padre means father. Father. Okay. When we can use it in sentence that mio padre è un insegnante. Insegnante. Mio padre, my father, is un insegnante. My father is a teacher. Okay. Also, we can say that è divertante fare sport con mio padre. Ok, even is divertante, it's fun. Okay, fare to do or to play sport con mio padre, with my father. It's fun to play sport with my father. Okay, padro is used in a formal way. In general, in informal way we say papa. Papa. Okay. Okay, if you want to learn Italian, please subscribe my channel. Ciao.